Hi, my name is Grace Shalom Hopkins and welcome to another episode of Spin Weekly. Today we are unboxing my spring 2019 Fibreshare package. I was partnered up with Fibertail Fiber Arts, and I have linked her information down below because our identity is our business name. Of course, you know, that's how we roll here. But it is so incredible to be part of a swap like Fibreshare. I am hashtag not sponsored, but yeah, if you have not heard of Fibreshare, maybe you're not on Instagram, it's worth getting on Instagram just to check out the Fibreshare community. People all over the world across all different types of fibery craft forms, from punch needle embroidery and weaving and knitting and crocheting and spinning. All kinds of people come together and do a big international swap. You are matched by a team of really precise and detailed matchers to different partners. There's a really detailed application form. It's so cool. So you can see how awesome the possibilities are by this package that I got. We texted back and forth on Instagram, and she asked about my likes and dislikes, and we really formed the beginnings of a kindred friendship, and the visual representation of our compatibility is to follow. I mean, I know I'm waxing poetic, but to find a friend and a fiber friend, a fellow birth worker, a fellow geek, so sacred, and any place that facilitates that has got my recommendation. So stay tuned to watch this super incredible unboxing. The light was a little funky. When I first started, it was dark because I couldn't help it. I had to film it right away, and now it's raining. And the light's actually pretty good now, but you get the idea. So, yeah, I can't wait to see you on the other side. Something that was really cool about this box right away was the fact that she doodled on the outside. I thought that was so sweet. So inside, an owl card. My mother's favorite animal is an owl, so therefore, by extension, it's kind of one of my favorites. And some traditional medicinals teas. This woman, she speaketh my language. So this one, first off, was something local to me. I took pictures of the cards, and you can see them better on Instagram. But this is alpaca yarn that was spun from the fleeces of a alpaca flock that her family used to own. So I thought that was so cool. This is incredibly soft and beautifully heathered. You saw a little sneaky peek of the next bat, and I think I will totally spin it with that one. And then I took all of the yarns that were around the packages. I think I'll give them to my mother to weave. They're all so beautiful. So this bat, let's see which one it is. Okay, yeah, this is the Hufflepuff, and we talked about my geekdom, and I take my Potter wizarding fandom very seriously. I don't dress up in fan swag. I wear my house colors classy, and this is what she created, and it is such the capturing of that philosophy. I wear my Hufflepuff classy. I'm totally thinking some kind of outerwear with this because I have to, it's just got to happen. Maybe mittens or a hat or something with the alpaca. It's so perfect and beautiful. I just can't even, I can't even describe it. It's been 2 days since I opened it, and I had to take this long to regain my composure at how cool these bats are, and especially that one. She quoted my words from our conversation on the tags. Like, this one is Sheild Maiden, and it's inspired by our shared Nordic history. I really like Nordic mythology and culture. What? This is beautiful. Again, I just want to make outerwear with this because I just want everyone to see how fantastic it is. Whoa, the texture, the colors, how it's not quite white and it's not quite cream, it's both, and the red that's so deep and luscious instead of being bright or even burgundy. Perfect. Everything in this package is perfect. And the sweetness and the care of quoting my words on the tags. I don't know. I have rarely ever felt so seen with a package. These are locks and some Fibreshare and some silk, and so beautiful. The lighting here is terrible, but you can see in the photo. These would be beautiful for blending with different things. I don't know what I'm going to blend them, but I'm picturing there's enough to make a large-scale project. I might have to put it in my succulent sweater. I don't know. Alright, this one is inspired by my obsession with Edwardian jewel tones and Mucha, whatever that bro's name is. His art is beautiful, his name is complicated, but that's how I like it. But look at this. The noils make the most gorgeous, ethereal texture on top. It's like, I don't know, I'm imagining tea gowns and theater parties and wine and oh my goodness, I just put it in the bag, but it's coming right back out again in better lighting. Look at this, the colors, the texture. I just want to, can it be my royal cape? Can I just felt it into a royal cape and wear it forever? Look at that! Do you see that? Oh my gosh! And this one says, I like really defined locks, and I believe it is a Romney. Please don't quote me on that. It's beautiful, it's gray. I think it will work perfectly with my big natural sweater project. I think the sweater is going to have to be like a cape, because I don't know how much fiber I need for a sweater, but I have plenty. Okay, so were you not blown away by the majesty of that creation, that gift? Whoa, holy macaroni. Check out her shop, her Instagram. I've left links down below. I know I said that before, but like, what are you doing with your life if you don't go and check it out? Also, huge thank you to my Patreon people. You guys are growing every month. I have so much gratitude for all of you guys. You make these videos possible. You make it possible for me to have time to participate in these kind of Fibreshare things. And you make it possible for me to create really incredible things, hopefully, with the stuff I get from things like Fibreshare. So you can keep an eye out for the creations. If you have any ideas on what you think I should make with these, leave them in the comment section down below. And as per usual, like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you like these kind of shenanigans, and I will see you next time, my fine fibery friends.